So, what's the topic today?
all right, this is the special series of Boddhicitta, so we will be answering legal question again. So the first question is,
You have to translate it.
right, okay,
Yeah.
is it really, are people really equal in front of law? My answer is yes. Everyone is equal in front of law, but not everyone is equal in front of the court. So if you cannot afford to go to the court, then probably you will be definitely subject to some sort of disadvantages. And of course, the judges are really they are there to help you, but they can just give you guidance, but they cannot help you prepare the case, or give you any instructions on how you should present your case, because that's not their role and they cannot do that. So yeah, uh, we are not really that equal. If you're rich enough, then of course you can hire the best lawyers and present your case in the best possible way. And if you're poor enough, you can still receive legal aid. So that's still okay. But if you're not rich but you are not that poor, then you're quite screwed.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's basically the answer. Uh,
The second question is okay, but actually, you think we are all equal in front of law, right?
well, we are under the same legal principles. So regardless of who you are, uh, we have the same laws.
So this is something ideal.
Yeah, this is something ideal, but the question is whether people are equal in front of law. And yes, we are equal in front of law, but not equal inside the court.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next question is, okay, breach of peace in public places. The question is, if there's no one there, there's just CCTV camera that causes some sort of action, indecent action. For example, running naked in the park during the night, but no one sees. Is that is that still an offense? The answer is yes. Um, the law is actually section 17B under the Public Order Ordinance, and the definition is quite clear, and at the same time it's very broad and general. So if you do what are the things in a public place that would likely cause a breach of peace, then that would amount to an offense. So even if no one was there, it's still a public place, and your action was even caught on CCTV camera. So yeah, the answer is quite simple. Yes.
Okay. The final one is complicated, I guess. Is something complicated?
Okay. The final question is the boss delay payment of salary, and then he went to the labor department, and then subsequently they went to the labor tribunal. They reached settlement, but obviously the boss did not honor the settlement obligation and paid nothing. So the labor tribunal told him that you either find a bailiff to go to his shop and seize his stuff, but in the event that the company is insolvent, there's a chance that he will not be able to receive anything. Right. So alternatively, they can wait until the settlement period pass and then apply for bankruptcy. The question is whether we have to wind up the company before he can get any reliefs, and alternatively, is there any other way to get back his salary? Um, well, honestly speaking, is the situation is quite bad because he reached a settlement. So if you reached a settlement, that which means you agreed something in law and you are quite bound by it contractually. If you don't have the papers in hand, so I can't really give a very definite and ensure legal opinion, but what I can just say is, as they have already gone through the legal proceedings, they went to the labor tribunal. So, and if you reach settlement, and unfortunately, you do have to um, respect any settlement terms you have reached. So probably you need to wait, but not paying an employee's salary is actually a criminal offense. So I do think ultimately you will be able to get back the money. Uh, just look at Asian TV. They still have to pay. Ultimately, it's just a matter of time. So yeah, so right. So if a company is refusing to pay wages, then there might be personal liability. So then you will be able to pursue against the boss personally.
So do they need a lawyer? I mean, if someone suffer from this case.
Yes and no. Yes if you want, no if you don't.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, so we answered 3 questions today. So it's been a while. We will be issuing more videos to answer more legal questions because we have quite some questions today. So it will take a number more videos for us to answer all of them. So sorry for keep you waiting, and you can wait a little bit longer then.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
see you next
you.
time.